In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a friend here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as well as share with your friends so they can add you back. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want to play with your friends, here's exactly how you can add them in just a few steps. First things first, go ahead and open up Clash Royale and tap on the little friends icon up in the top of your screen. It looks like two little people. Then simply find this little plus icon or this invite friend button and go ahead and just click on it. And it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Now from here, you just need to choose how you want to share your invite, whether it's Instagram, WhatsApp, quick share, text message, it doesn't really matter, even email works. Simply go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on this and then go ahead and hit send just like so. Once you send the link to your friend and once they accept, you'll be connected in game. Now you can battle, trade cards, or even join like something like a clan wars together, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.